Okay, so this is going to be a guideline, just the cross lines. And if you draw guidelines a little lower and have a little space like this, that would be great. And now let's start drawing her eyebrows first, okay? So something kind of like this. So it's going to be like a personality today is cool, a little bit mysterious. So her eyebrows, instead of going down soft, little going up, okay? But not angry. Then we're gonna start drawing. First, can you draw little tiny line like this? This is like kind of a semi-eyelid line. Then we're gonna draw main eyelid, little bit of distance like this, okay? And then, oh, here we go. And then we're gonna go in, little flat, strong eyelash. Today, this is gonna be main huge one eyelash today. That's about it for top. Okay, I'm gonna show you more. Kind of this. This is what I meant. See, kind of a thin, sharp, right? Goes out, really like thicker here, and one strong dynamic eyelash. Then her eyes, instead of kind of looking at you, I want her eyes kind of looking side, kind of like this. Okay, slightly maybe looking up. That's the expression. Okay, then let's just draw bottom eyelashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 or 10. That would be nice. All right, then can you do the same thing on the side? And if you're not sure, well, I'm not good at maybe drawing the same shape, same size. Well, let's add more guideline in case. Maybe have a little distance, right? So here, kind of like that. Now you know you're gonna start drawing eyes pretty much around here and here, right? And then let's start drawing this semi-eyelid line goes up, and then main eyelid maybe from here, right? Go like that. Okay, this is good. What do you think? Good? Good. I'm kind of asking and answering by myself pretty much. That's fine. Then, okay, one main really dynamic eyelashes. Eyelash, not the eyelashes, sorry. Going up, hook down, here like this, and her eyes kind of looking right side. So go like that, okay, and then 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, it's EJ. Kind of like this, and her nose is gotta be around here. Okay, then hold on, and the main black bubble is gonna be around here in the middle. Okay, and now let's draw main shiny bubble today, bottom, kind of like this, and then let's draw one tiny one here, and then maybe a few more. It's gonna look like a galaxy. Pretty. Good. Now we're gonna start inking. Okay, let's go. If you're enjoying this video, you love my new book, How to Draw Kawaii Manga Chibi. There are tons of chibi step-by-step tutorials and tips for making your manga stories. Scan the QR code to get your copy. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, so these are colors I want you to use today, mainly blue. And what I have for the color pencils, I have a gray tones and a neon yellow. And if you have Copic markers or some other, like those alcohol markers, I'm pretty sure you have like those, like tons of different type of blues. And today I'm gonna use mainly B series from Copic markers and BV11, C series 3 and 5. So I'm gonna let you know what I'm gonna use step by step. Yes, let's go. Alright, so first of all, underneath I might have maybe a few extra papers in case, because it's alcohol markers and ink kind of bleeds a lot, so I don't want to just hurt your desk. So have a little couple extra papers underneath. Then first, you know what? First, we're gonna use C series gray tone underneath eyelid, shadow, okay, kind of like that. And maybe a little bit over the semi-eyelid line underneath eyebrows, bottom eyelashes. You can just trace pretty much your ink line here, okay, here, kind of like that. I'm gonna go like this, more, kind of like this, okay, other side too, ta 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 ta. Good. Then let's use blue, light blue. I have this B00. That's what I'm gonna use. Okay, here we go. So not inside of bubble, but this middle part you can just go over. That's totally fine. Okay. And then what I want you to do, don't color all the way. I want you to maybe leave 1/3 bottom. Just leave it out like that. Same thing other side. Okay, ta 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 ta. Kind of like this. Now let's use kind of a little lavender tone. I'm using a BV11. So it's a like purplish lavender. Alright. And then from here, you don't need to color all the way, but tracing kind of outline here like that. And can you do the same thing on the side and inside a little bit, kind of like this. Okay, then you're gonna use B00 one more time. Kind of like just blend. Okay, then do you have a little slightly darker blue? It's more like a sky blue color. So I'm using a B14, okay? And now I'm gonna go over here a little bit more. Kind of like this. Just the 1/3 of the top. Kind of like this. Because I don't want lavender tone goes away so much. So we're gonna mix more. Pretty much you're gonna blend again with B00. Okay, go like this. I think I should go this side a little bit more over. Right? And I'm gonna do one more lavender. Go over. Let's go a little bit more. Bottom too. Kind of like this. Alright. Then we're gonna do here. So I'm using, it's called the B32. This is a pale blue, so it's a little bit darker than B00, this one, but lighter than B14. You know, there's so many markers, right? So you're gonna mix more. Mixing. Then I want you to pick really dark blue. Middle, okay. And you can use B00 or B32, like I said, slightly lighter, darker than first blue. You're gonna blend it more. And now dark blue comes in from the top here. More. Ooh, it's pretty, right? And then what we're gonna do is I want to use a gray color pencil and go like this. Little light. Okay, this is a little too light. Sorry. You gotta go there. Here. I don't like this kind of a line. here, like this, okay, inside here, and this side too. Color pencil and markers, they have completely two different kind of texture, right? Because color pencil, look, it's kind of a noisy, which I love, and this alcohol marker is super smooth, like any colors blend in really together. So if you mix those two different kind of textures, I think it creates something new. I like that. So I kind of want you to play with it, okay? Then underneath, let's use a little bit of neon yellow if you have, little touch. You can use pink too. I think either way it's really pretty. Here we go. That's it. You created super cool manga eyes. Ta-da! We created cool manga eyes. This is the one, the sample I showed you in the beginning. This is the one we just drew together. It's pretty quick, right? But it's so fun because mixing colors are so fun. If you have any other facial expressions you want me to draw or like characters, just please type it right here. Request, okay? Thank you so much. One more thing, take a look at my book collection, my graphic novel series, Bounce Back, and activity book series, How to Draw Kawaii Manga. Arigato!